everyone, this is Pearl of Pearl Glow, and today I wanted to talk to you about fragrance. Now, fragrance is a product, it's pretty popular, it's found in most cosmetics. Now, and the problem with fragrance is that it leads to contact dermatitis. Not always, but there's a very high chance of getting that. And it can also lead to other health issues like migraines, and in severe cases can cause food allergies too. Now, there are alternatives like macerating oils and skin safe essential oils, and you just got to make sure that they are skin safe. And fragrance has also been shown to be bad for the environment. And there was a recent study that was conducted by NOAA. They found that air pollution had many chemicals found in synthetic fragrances. It was actually just as bad as car exhaust. This is a new discovery, so more research is being conducted. What's concerning is that fragrance is usually used indoors. So think about the air inside your home, the air you're breathing. So make sure you open those windows every once in a while. Now, I don't want to tell you to just throw away everything and stop using fragrance completely, but you have to do your research. It's best to be more cautious when buying products, and you want to look for brands that respect nature and promote sustainability across the industry.